All right, folks, it is 2 o'clock on Friday, November 20th. Thanks for joining us for our Friday afternoon update meetings for the Windsor Heights construction projects. We're going to wait a couple minutes here to see if anybody else joins, and then we'll go through and provide some updates on our projects, and then we'll take some questions. So we'll start here in about a minute or so. Time is 2:02. We're going to go ahead and get started here. As we've done in weeks past, we'll provide we'll read our written updates. Don't worry about writing these down because they'll be posted on our website as well. A recording of this meeting will be posted on our website. And then after we're done with the prepared update remarks, we'll just take any questions you guys have. We're going to start on the College Drive project. So for next week, work is only occurring on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, possibly only Wednesday morning because of the holiday. So keep that in mind. On stage 2 for the week of November 23rd, the contractor will finish installing the remaining sidewalk. They'll also continue backfilling, rough grading, and cleaning up the site. Final grading may not occur until the spring, and seeding definitely won't occur until the spring. Stage 3, which is from Plaza Circle to 78th Street for the week of November 23rd. The contractor will finish intersections and driveways and sidewalks. They'll begin backfilling once all concrete work is completed. They'll do some rough grading, but the final grading might not happen until the spring. And again, the seeding won't happen for sure until the spring. If you see the contractor out there and they're spraying some kind of a tackifier solution on the ground, don't worry, it's not seed. We're stabilizing it, so it's a erosion control protection measure that we don't expect seed to germinate. So that's on stages 2 and 3. All that work is weather dependent. As always, please remember to place your garbage, recycling, and yard waste out at the end of your driveway by 5 p.m. for the contractor to pick up. Pickup times are different for each item, so they might not get returned at the same time. Temp mailboxes are going to be used until the street's open. And if you have issues with trash recycling or mail service, you can either reach out to me, Justin, or if you see the contractor, go grab them. But we'll make sure you're taken care of. On stage 4, following our weekly construction meeting with the contractor this morning, it's been decided that we're going to postpone until the spring of 2021 due to weather conditions. Notices will be given to affected residents. The roadway will be open to through traffic over the winter months. All construction materials, debris, and equipment will be removed from the site before work is wrapped up this fall. There's going to be a temporary patch poured between the existing pavement on phase 4 and the new pavement on phase 3 so that there's a smooth transition for vehicles between the old and the new roadway. Moving on to 69th Street. So the same goes for all these projects. The contractors have indicated that they'll be here Monday, Tuesday, and probably Wednesday morning. They might not be around Wednesday afternoon, and they definitely won't be here Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. On stage 2 on 69th Street for the week of November 23rd, the contractor will finish grading sidewalk and driveways and then begin forming sidewalk and driveways. The driveways will get poured after the forms have been installed. We expect that the project will largely shut down after phase 2 has been completed. And we expect that date to be sometime on or even around December 19th. On stage 4, for the week of November 23rd, the contractor will continue water main work and begin installation of water services. With water service installation, residents will experience short disruption to water service and notices will be provided. Temporary driveways are going to have to be installed over the winter months for a few properties south of University Avenue as we cut through there with the new water main. And it'll look really similar to the temp driveways that we've installed on the east side of the road in the same area. Stages 3 and 4 going to be postponed until spring of 2021 due to weather conditions. Work will continue on water main for the next couple weeks. Once the water main work's complete, site's going to be cleaned up, work's going to be shut down for the year. All residents on 69th Street will be able to park in their driveways over the winter. All construction materials, equipment, and debris will be removed from the site over the winter. And notices are going out this afternoon to residents in affected phases. Allison Avenue. So for stage 2, which is about the middle of Allison up to 64th Street. Let's see. The contractor might begin rough grading and backfilling, but again, final grading and backfilling, final grading and seeding won't occur until the spring. On stage 2B, which is the intersection of 64th and Allison, for the week of November 23rd, the contractor is going to continue installing the storm sewer. The intersection is going to continue to be closed. And we expect the Allison Ave project to be wrapped up, everything out of there the 19th as well. December 19th, that is. On University Avenue, next week, the contractor will be prepping for paving on phase 2B west of the 70th Street intersection. So they're going to be putting in forms and getting ready to pave the week after. The south side of the 70th Street intersection is going to remain closed until all paving in 2B has been completed. And that's a logistical thing to accommodate cement trucks, concrete washout, and worker safety while they do the paving in that area. We expect that the intersection will be opened back up to through traffic around December 19th, at which time work will mostly stop over the winter months. Work on traffic signals between 70th and 73rd, street lighting, and some utility work will continue to happen. This work is all weather dependent. All the businesses are open, and as always, keep an eye on traffic controls and stay off your phone in the work zones. And I think that's all 4 of them. That's it for our prepared update remarks. As I said, these are going to be posted on the website. Are there any questions on these? I'm going to just go down the list here.
Okay.
Diana, you're first. You got any questions? Oh, shoot. Diana, I'm trying to unmute you. If you got a question, I think I accidentally muted you, but if you've got a question, let me know. Yes. Or Susan, so go ahead.
Yes. This is Jim Willits on College Avenue. And as far as stage 4 for College Avenue, am I understanding correctly that you would also not do any utility work or water main work during this section until spring?
Right. Yeah. So there's not going to be any work completed up there. There's not much utility. Sorry, go ahead.
Okay. Okay. No, you answered my question then. Thank you.
Yep. There's not much utility work on phase 4, so it's mostly paving operations up there.
Okay, good.
And I know Larry's called in our last few Friday update meetings with asking about phase 4, and he actually emailed me this afternoon, said he wouldn't be able to make it to our meeting, but asked if anything was going on. So I just basically gave me information I just gave you guys. So Larry and Paulette are aware of it. Susan, do you got any questions?
No, I don't have any questions right now. Thank you.
All right, thanks. All right, well, we'll hang out for another 5 minutes or so to see if anybody jumps on the call with questions. Otherwise, we'll end this recording or end the meeting, post the recording on our website. Everybody have a nice weekend. All right, we haven't had anybody call in here for about, I don't know, a few minutes here. So we're going to end the recording. I got to get these notices updated and all that. So have a nice weekend.